So just when you thought budget phones couldn't get or look any better, Huawei's budget line goes and drops the Honor 8X. So we gave you a quick look at it maybe a few weeks back as far as the first look, and now we spent some time with it. We can tell you all about it. We'll let you know if it has more to offer than being just a pretty glass body. So the Honor 8X has a bit more heft than other Honor devices, even the Mate 10 Pro. This is due to utilizing metal frame with the anti-glare film, two visual effects on a double texture glass body. You got a 90% screen to body ratio here as well. It is a bit on the slippery side. It will slide right off of your jeans or anything that's not completely flat, so be careful. Handling all the processing is their Kirin 710 processor, a couple of 4 gigs of RAM. Does a pretty good job multitasking and all the normal stuff you would do. They made sure to put their new GPU turbo inside to handle all the graphics. Playing Street Fighter 4 and a few other games. Has a massive 6.5 inch full view LCD display. Other than just being big, it's definitely on one of the brighter panels we've seen in 2018. Along with being bright, the 8X is made for better eye health. You can control the overall temperature display as well. Inside you have a 3,750 milliamp battery, which is pretty close to 4,000. And I was getting close to 15 hours with heavy usage and up to 2 days of light to moderate usage. Now let's talk about the camera. You got the dual shooters, 120 megapixel f1.8, 2 megapixel depth sensor. So the main one is a 20 megapixel, and combined with the power of artificial intelligence, and the results makes for definitely a better shooter in the budget market. And this is mostly due to in part of two of their new features, and that's AI camera and night mode. So the AI camera, it does add a bit more dynamic range and some punch to the colors depending on your scenario. Moving on to night mode, it's definitely taking a different approach to capturing low light photos on the 8X. Takes a few seconds, of course, and captures multiple photos and analyzes them using AI to create a pretty good final product. Definitely adds a lot more detail in low light, beefs up the sharpness a bit. It does help out a lot, but not enough to really compete with the top tier low light market, but definitely enough to stand out in the mid-range budget crowd. In regards to software, so you have EMUI 8.2 on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. So they didn't do much here different. So fortunately or unfortunately, depending on how you feel about it, so you have the same icon, same built-in screen recorder, same dual SIM card support, and the other ups and downs that come with EMUI. So at this point, you kind of just got to take it as it is. Yeah. So after looking at it, it's definitely the new standard for premium budget Android phone. So you can look at it as the Honor 8X, premium metal for the price of plastic. They did a good job in regards to pushing the boundaries of what a budget phone is supposed to have, perform, or look like. We're still waiting for the official US pricing, but we're expecting it to be somewhere around $200 to $300. So as always, thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. And see you next video. Peace.